Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Verify your Infinix runs the needed Android build and that the launcher allows widgets because permissions and RAM affect placement. Once done, long press an empty area of the home screen. The widgets menu opens. Tap the widget you want, hold, and drag it onto a free cell. Make sure to drop it precisely where you want it, then release. If the system prompts, adjust size immediately so layout stays stable. Now focus on configuration. Tap the widget or long press and choose Edit because personalization determines usefulness. You will select the data source, set the refresh interval to balance battery versus timeliness, pick a theme, and grant any needed permissions. Once configured, use grid snapping and padding controls to align the widget with icons. This avoids overlap and keeps gestures responsive. If you want consistent spacing, finish by locking the home layout or exiting edit mode so you don't move widgets by accident. This preserves your work. If a widget stops updating, clear the launcher cache or restart the launcher, since that often resolves refresh glitches. Also check app permissions and battery optimization. Restrictive settings can block background updates. If problems persist, remove the widget and re-add it. This reset resolves most state-related issues, and then confirm permissions again before final placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.